Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a quote booking app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes, such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. Jotform offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Jotform. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Jotform account. Now, to create a quote or booking app in Jotform, click on the Create Form button, which can be found either at the center or top left side of the dashboard. This will present you with 4 options: Start from scratch, Use template, Import form, and Create assignable document. For this tutorial, we will start from scratch. Click on the Start from Scratch option, and you will be taken to a new window where you need to select the layout for your form. Here, choose the Classic Form option. Once you've done this, you will be directed to the editor to begin creating your form. In the editor, you can add various elements to your form, such as basic fields, payment options, and widgets. Navigate to the top left side and click on the Add Form Element button to open the left sidebar. Here, you can select and add the required element to your form. For instance, if you want to add a Cash App Pay option to your form, click on the Payment section and scroll down to the Cash App Pay option. Upon clicking it, it will be added to your form. Along with the Cash App Pay option, a product list is also automatically added. You can customize this list by changing its name, price, description, and image. If you want to add more products, simply click on the Add Product button. Underneath the product list, you'll find the payment methods, including credit card and Cash App Pay. These methods will be used by buyers to pay for your product. Once your form is fully designed, it's time to convert it into an app. To do this, navigate to the top left side, click on the Form Builder, and choose the App Builder option. Your form will now be converted into an app, ready to be shared with others. To share your new app, click on the Publish section. You'll be taken to the Publish section, where you can copy the link and share it with others by clicking on the Copy Link option. If you'd like to see how your form will appear to users, click on the Open in New tab option. Lastly, you can generate a QR code for your app and download it for sharing. Anyone who scans this QR code will have your app installed on their mobile devices. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.